Mikey put you on. Just remember that. Just remember, Mikey showed you the way here. Eh?
I don't know if you're aware, but this Church's Chicken has been there for like 4 or 5 years.
I know, but I put you guys on.
Sure.
Ooh.
It's actually not a joke. That's the sad part.
Oh, those look right.
I wish it was a joke.
Those look crusty. Yeah. Ooh, tell me that's not the best presented looking chicken you've seen. They take pride in their work, eh? They take pride. Jeez.
Yeah, I'll see you guys today. Church's Chicken, guys.
Nice.
We're gonna see what's going on with this Church's Chicken. If it's good, if it's bad, if it's okay, if it's better than KFC, if it's better than Popeyes, if it's better than Mary Brown.
My hands are dirty. Ow.
Church's Chicken. I'm not gonna lie, the Church's Chicken look very, very intriguing, very nice. Nice and crunchy as well. The crunchy was very, very nice. But one thing I must add, the chicken was a little dry in the middle, especially the white meat. You see my face looking at it thinking, why is it so crunchy but yet it's a little bit dry? I think because the driver brought it, I don't know what happened along the way. But last time I tried it, it was very juicy. Juicy because it was fresh. When you eat something fresh, it's fresh. Always ask for fresh no matter what. Onion rings were okay. I gave it an 8 out of 10. The fries were okay. You know, the fries I give it 7 out of 10. But also I tried a little piece of the drumstick. That was moist, very nice. The coleslaw, it wasn't the best, but it wasn't bad. It was a little bit too sweet for me, and I gave it a 5 out of 10 on the coleslaw. See, the chicken looks very, very beautiful color and everything. But again, the inside was a little bit too dry for me. The other guys loved it. Now this is the piece that I was looking for. Nice and juicy. Very tender. Not too bad at all. I wouldn't mind trying again. Better than this one.
Scale, can you ask the driver?
Not bad. This one here.
Riviera Restoration Services, return 1 bus, you know what?